What's up guys, I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Today we're going to make some
heart cookies.
We start with 3 sticks of soft butter.
Make sure the butter is at room temperature or the cookie batter won't come together. And now 1 cup of sugar. Now we whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes.
Use the whisk attachment to cream butter and sugar together.
Add 1 egg yolk and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until combined and then add a little bit of salt.
Switch to the paddle and add flour. Add 3 1/3 cup of flour. Measure correctly. If the dough doesn't come together, add more butter. Our dough is ready. Next, we put our parchment paper on the cookie sheet. Here comes the fun part. The cookies need to be the same size. I'm using a mini ice cream scooper. Use your finger to press down and make a heart shape.
Next, add your favorite jam. We're using raspberry. Now it's time to bake
for about 12 minutes.
These cookies are perfect for Valentine's Day.
And the recipe is in the description.
We've got to try them.
What do you think?
It's good.
Are they so good?
Yeah.
What do you like about them?
The jam. The jam is so yummy and the cookie is so crunchy. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so fun to make these cookies.
Join us every Saturday for longer videos. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention 2 cookies down
and 10 to go. Make sure to like this video
and subscribe.
We will see you next time.
Bye.